Hello savvy investors, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of tech acquisitions, and specifically, we're looking at 5 companies that could be ripe for the picking by the 800-pound gorilla of the semiconductor industry, Nvidia. That's right, we're talking about 5 stocks to buy now before Nvidia potentially scoops them up. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos where we break down even more investment opportunities. And a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Now let's get started with our list of 5 companies that Nvidia might just have its eye on. First up, we have ARM Holdings, ticker ARM, a company that needs no introduction in the world of tech. ARM designs the architecture for a massive chunk of the world's mobile processors, the brains behind your smartphones, tablets, and even some laptops. Now you might be thinking, didn't Nvidia already try to buy them? You're right. In 2020, Nvidia attempted a $40 billion takeover of ARM from SoftBank, but it fell through due to regulatory hurdles. But the strategic rationale behind the acquisition remains. ARM's energy-efficient chip designs are perfect for AI processing in self-driving cars and smart home devices. Imagine if Nvidia could integrate ARM's technology into its GPUs and AI platforms. It would be a game-changer in artificial intelligence. A second attempt at a full acquisition might be tricky, given the previous regulatory pushback, but Nvidia might explore other options. Strategic partnerships or joint ventures are on the table. Any of these scenarios could mean big gains for investors. The synergy between Nvidia and ARM is undeniable. Both companies are at the forefront of technological innovation. So while a full acquisition might be a long shot, don't be surprised if Nvidia finds a way to join forces with ARM Holdings. Nvidia is all about pushing the boundaries of AI and computing power. ARM designs energy-efficient processors that power billions of devices. Together, they could dominate AI and edge computing. It's a match made in tech heaven. And investors who recognize this potential synergy early on stand to benefit significantly. Our next potential acquisition target takes us into the world of electronic design automation, or EDA for short. Now, EDA is essentially the software that chip makers like Nvidia use to design and develop their complex processors. And one of the biggest players in the EDA game is none other than Synopsys, ticker SNPS. We're talking about a company that provides the essential tools for designing the next generation of AI chips, high-performance computing processors, and even the chips that power your smartphones and smart homes. Nvidia acquiring Synopsys would be like a master chef acquiring the company that makes the finest knives and cooking utensils. It's about controlling the entire process from start to finish. Think about it. Right now, Nvidia relies on Synopsys' tools to design its cutting-edge GPUs. But if Nvidia were to acquire Synopsys, they would gain complete control over this critical part of their supply chain. It would be like owning the factory that produces the machines that build your products. You become less reliant on third-party vendors and gain the ability to innovate at an even faster pace. This kind of vertical integration is becoming increasingly important in the semiconductor industry. As chips become more complex and the demand for AI processing skyrockets, companies like Nvidia are looking for ways to streamline their operations and maintain their technological edge, and let's not forget the potential cost savings. By bringing EDA development in-house, Nvidia could potentially save millions, if not billions of dollars in the long run. Those savings could then be reinvested into further research and development, creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and growth. So, while Synopsys might not be a household name like Nvidia, it's a company that plays a critical role in the semiconductor industry. And if Nvidia is serious about maintaining its dominance in the world of AI and high-performance computing, acquiring Synopsys could be a strategic masterstroke. Next, we will look at Unity Software, ticker U. Let's shift gears and talk about the metaverse, that immersive, interconnected digital world that everyone seems to be talking about these days. And when it comes to building the metaverse, one company stands out as a clear leader: Unity Software. You see, Unity provides the software platform that developers use to create a vast majority of the world's video games. But their technology goes far beyond just gaming. We're talking about simulations, architectural visualizations, and even training tools for industries like healthcare and manufacturing. Now here's where things get really interesting for Nvidia. Nvidia has been very vocal about its ambitions in the metaverse. They even have their own metaverse platform called Nvidia Omniverse, which is designed for 3D design collaboration and simulation. Acquiring Unity would give Nvidia the keys to the kingdom when it comes to metaverse development. They would instantly gain access to Unity's massive developer community, its industry-leading game engine, and its vast library of 3D assets. Imagine the possibilities. Nvidia could integrate its powerful GPUs and AI technology directly into Unity's platform, enabling developers to create even more realistic and immersive metaverse experiences. We're talking about lifelike avatars, massive virtual worlds with real-time physics, and experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical realms. This is a market with truly explosive potential. Some experts predict that the metaverse could be worth trillions of dollars in the coming years. And Nvidia, with its focus on AI and graphics processing, is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this trend. Acquiring Unity would be a bold move, but it's one that could cement Nvidia's dominance in the metaverse for years to come. For our fourth potential acquisition target, we're diving into the world of data centers, those massive server farms that power the cloud and everything we do online. And one company that's making waves in the data center space is Marvell Technology, ticker MRVL. Marvell specializes in designing chips that are optimized for data storage, networking, and processing the massive amounts of information that flow through data centers every second. Now consider this. Nvidia already has a strong presence in the data center market with its powerful GPUs, which are used for everything from AI training to scientific computing. But acquiring Marvell would give Nvidia a complete end-to-end solution for data centers. They would control everything from the chips that store and manage data to the GPUs that process it. This kind of vertical integration would be a game changer for Nvidia. It would allow them to optimize their data center offerings for maximum performance and efficiency, giving them a significant edge over competitors like Intel and AMD. And let's not forget the potential cost savings. By controlling more of the data center supply chain, Nvidia could reduce its reliance on third-party vendors and negotiate better prices for components. The data center market is only going to grow in the coming years. As more and more of our lives move online, the demand for data storage, processing, and networking will continue to skyrocket. Nvidia acquiring Marvell would be a strategic move to capitalize on this growth and solidify its position as a leader in the data center revolution. For our final pick, we will be looking at Ambarella, ticker AMBA. For our final potential acquisition target, we're shifting our focus to the world of computer vision, the technology that allows machines to see and understand the world around them. And when it comes to computer vision, one company that's leading the charge is Ambarella. Ambarella specializes in designing chips and software that power a wide range of cameras and vision systems. We're talking about everything from the cameras in your smartphone to the advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, found in many modern cars. Now, here's why this is particularly interesting for Nvidia. Nvidia has been aggressively pursuing opportunities in the automotive industry, particularly in the area of autonomous vehicles. Their drive platform is already being used by several car manufacturers to power self-driving features. Acquiring Ambarella would give Nvidia a massive boost in this market. They would instantly gain access to Ambarella's cutting-edge computer vision technology, its expertise in low-power chip design, and its relationships with key players in the automotive industry. Imagine the possibilities. Nvidia could integrate Ambarella's vision chips into its drive platform, creating even more sophisticated and capable self-driving systems. We're talking about cars that can see better in low-light conditions, react more quickly to obstacles, and navigate complex environments with even greater precision. And it's not just about self-driving cars. Ambarella's technology has applications in a wide range of industries, from robotics and drones to security systems and smart home devices. This acquisition would give Nvidia a foothold in a vast and rapidly growing market, further diversifying its revenue streams and solidifying its position as a leader in the world of AI and visual computing. If you're excited about the future of Nvidia and these potential opportunities, make sure to dive deeper into your own research. Remember, this video is just a starting point. It's crucial to conduct your own due diligence, analyze the financials of these companies, and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, check out one of the 2 videos now appearing on the screen. They'll help you uncover even more exciting investment ideas. We'll see you in the next video.